The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
It's so nice when the entire team is here. We are here. Nakes was here. Somizi is back from I'm gonna say a beautiful weekend. I'm sure it was beautiful, Somizi, right?
Oh, it was amazing. It was amazing. Like chilled, man. Chilled.
Good.
Chilled vibes, opulence, luxury,
Yes.
and yeah.
Welcome
Shout
back.
out to Sasso.
Shout outs to you as well. Beautiful garments that we got to see at the Hollywood Bets Durban July. Thank you, Somizi.
You're welcome back.
And of course, Naked DJs here as well. And we've got Anonymous. Let's get to it. Anonymous, good morning.
Good morning, Sis Coach.
How
Good
are
morning,
you?
guys.
Hi, Papa. How are you?
I'm shaking.
Which part? Why? Don't shake.
I'm shaking. I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. Don't shake. I got you. I'm holding your hand. The Naked DJ and Somizi are here to help you out, and thank you for the courage to call in. Anonymous, I'm going to read the house rules, and then take your time when you tell us your story, né? Because you are number one. You are our number one priority. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Anonymous, please maintain respectful language, refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
I agree.
All right. We are listening.
Good morning, everyone in the studio.
Morning,
Hello.
Morning.
I don't know. I'm a 31-year-old.
How old?
Been
You are
in
a 31-year-old.
31-year-old, yes.
Okay, sir.
Been in a relationship for the past, since 2013. We met in high school. I was just after my matric, and we happened to be in a relationship. She was a grade less. So we started this relationship, kicked off, went on, everything went well. Fast forward till to last year, or 2 years back, she started applying for a job outside of the country. And then, fortunately, things turned out well. Only she started this year, January. So as the week progressed, and we promised each other that no, we'll be fine, we'll keep the communication, and we will try our best to keep everything intact. Up until the last 2 months, I have been struggling to get hold of her via calls. As per usual, we talk every night. Whenever she's free, she would let me know what's up. We would keep tabs. For the past 2 months, I've been struggling to get hold of her. I would get hold of her only maybe once via a WhatsApp text, and she would say she's busy, and she would never get back to me for like more than 5 days or a week. And I would call her again, and she'd be like, no, I'm busy, I'll call you. And time would pass, days would pass, a week would pass. Until she was like, she sent me this long text that was like 2 weeks back. And she was like, she would like to release me. She can't do this anymore. And she thinks it's only fair for me to get someone and move on with my life. It just weighed in heavy on me, given the time we've been together, the whole investments, vice versa, on me and her. I've sacrificed a lot for this relationship. I still love her more than anything. I just feel like I've been robbed somewhere. I have this deep hole. I have this deep hole of regrets, time, and all these things. I'm just complaining and stopping me, and I feel like I'm just losing it. I feel like I'm losing it for real.
Sorry, Anonymous.
And no children involved, no?
So Mizzy, we happen to have adopted her younger sister's girl, and she just knows us that we are her parents. Since birth, it's been us.
Okay, how old was she when you adopted her?
Pardon me?
How old was she when you adopted her?
From birth.
From birth. Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
what's the situation right now since you guys are no longer together?
Honestly, so the communication is just, we haven't been speaking for more than 2 weeks now. Since that text. It's just, you would see her status, you would see mine. I'm at the gym, she's working, she's at the gym. It's just those status. There's no talk, there's nothing. Zero.
Okay. Okay, we'll continue.
Okay, Anonymous, hold it fast. We're coming back. We're going to the news headlines. Don't drop the line, okay?
All right.
Where you want to be.
31 minutes after 10 o'clock, Kutso Tenedi here. Of course, we've got Somizi, the Naked DJ, and you joining us. Thank you. Anonymous is on the line. A recap. So Anonymous has been with his partner since about 2013. They are now around 30 years of age. His partner found a job in another country, and this seems to have just basically affected their communication. She doesn't answer his calls when they do eventually speak. She tells him that she's busy. Their relationship is now broken down, and he basically doesn't know what to do. They also adopted her sister's child, and his relationship with her is basically in limbo. Anonymous, we're on the same page.
Yes, we are. Just to add, I feel like, I don't know, maybe you'll tell me that. I feel like, okay, when she got out of high school, when she matriculated, I was already working. So she had no plan financial wise of going to tertiary because she was financially challenged. I happened to connect her to work, and the work that she got, it's actually the one that has elevated her to now being what she is today. And I feel like, that's why I said earlier, I feel like I'm robbed somewhere.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it's fair to say, I don't think she owes me, but I just feel robbed. I don't know why.
Okay. Did you ever think at any point that she's seeing someone else?
I don't like to think it like that. I don't know.
Oh, so it's never crossed your mind. That's what I wanted to ask. It's never crossed your mind.
No.
Okay, that's good. That's good, because not every time when people say they are no longer interested, it means they are seeing someone else. People can just be is it disinterested or uninterested?
Disinterested, you're perfect.
I'm right.
Yeah.
Yeah. They disinterested. Yeah. Thank you, Papa. Might be for so many different reasons. Personal space or spiritual journey or mental whatever. So I'm glad that you don't think like that. So before then we get into it, Naked, do you have any questions?
No questions.
No,
Really?
are they married?
Please.
Are they married?
No,
No, they're not.
No, we're
Okay.
not married.
they're not married.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Anonymous.
thanks.
Thanks.
The only thing I wanted to say to him was, you keep saying you feel you feel like you were robbed. You were robbed. No, you did everything that your good spirit guided you to do. The only time you are getting robbed is now, where you're looking back. You are robbing yourself of all the good that you have done. So don't do that.
It's hard not to look back.
It's not. You know what happened to? What happened to Itswai?
Lot.
Mfazga lot, not a lot.
Oh yeah, okay, umfazi kaLot uyalazi igama la umfazi kaLot.
akususara sobuza ukhuphethi
Mm.
just think of that
Mm.
ungabheke emuva because uzophenduka itswayi or uzoba netswayi.
Mm.
So how can we help you, Papa? What is it that you're confused about?
So, I'd like to know from all of you guys, how does one move? How do I even move? How do I not even look back? As you say, I shouldn't even turn my head back. How do I go on from this? I feel like I don't see myself recovering from.
You know what? I actually now understand Kutso's question. How were you guys able to adopt the sister legally? You're not married. So how were you able to adopt the sister?
I don't think they did it legally.
Oh, so you just took the sister. Okay. Now, just please explain. Did she leave with the child, or is the child left with you?
No, the child is here.
Okay, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, bon? So thank you for that question, Kutso.
Asia.
No, benze isintu.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yo, eh? So she owes you maintenance. Gahle gahle.
Yeah, I'm a bit confused. Do you feel like you're owed compensation?
No.
Okay.
No.
And then, but Naya Usile, hold on. This is her sister's child, right?
Yes.
So she should be sending. So what happens? What conversation have you had about this child that looks at you as mom and dad? So, because she can't just disappear for 2 weeks.
It's been 2 weeks.
Did you say 2 weeks or 2 months?
2 weeks.
But
It's early for maintenance.
when you have a child, you can't disappear for 2 weeks. When you have a child, you can't disappear. You
can't disappear at all without a reason.
Exactly. So, have you had that question?
Not really, naked. I'm actually not bothered about the child. I don't have a problem with the child. I don't want any maintenance from her or any sort of money.
Okay.
I don't want to be separated with the child. That's what I feel like it's gonna happen from now.
Yeah, because you do know at a certain point it will come, because she's not your blood. She's more from her side, right?
That's true.
Yeah. So that conversation, needs to be had sooner than later, and not even in a fighting way. But I'm glad that you've approached it like, look, you've been the father of this child. You adopted this child because you wanted to adopt the child. Not you are not doing it because of her.
True.
And everything you've done, my brother, you were doing it out of the goodness of your heart, not because you expected a gold star at the end of the day.
Yes.
Okay.
Were there plans for you to join her?
To join who?
With her job hunting, or
I'm also working this side. I have a decent job that I'm very grateful for, so I'm not looking to move to that side.
Okay, wait. Kutso, I'm translating for Kutso today. The reason why Kutso is asking that is when she started applying for jobs overseas. Now, when you have a partner and your partner starts applying for jobs away from home, a conversation should be had. Okay, we know you're applying overseas or wherever because you cannot get jobs here. But what happens to the family in the event that you get this job overseas? Kutso, just speak through me.
We had that conversation because she applied like about 3 years back. And last year, that's where we were strong about these conversations, and we were like, because they are not responding, it's more like you have given up. So what now? What's the next chapter? Because now we are getting old. I wanna tie you. I wanna not tie you per se. I just wanna do the right thing by your family. I want us to have babies. And are you okay? And her response was, starting from this year, we can start doing those things. We can start planning those things. And I don't know if I should say fortunately or unfortunately, that's when she got, on December, that's when she was given the response that she's been accepted on one of the jobs she's been applying to, and she had to start by January.
Okay. Now, we are here right now today where one thing that really hurts me is when she said, I need to release you.
That's how it.
Okay. Now, Somizi, this is the question you were asking. She said, I need to release you, and they haven't spoken since.
Releasega, Baba. Releasega, and the sooner as human beings we stop giving people too much power that they don't even possess. Like, for her to even say, I'm releasing you from what?
Yeah, like, who are you to release
To release me.
Like,
And then now you refuse to be released because you feel good. It's like a fish begging me. Hold on.
Yeah.
It's bumpy. It's like a fish begging me not to take it out of water.
But Somizi is confused. It's like, hey, we've planned this life. I think more than anything, yes, there's hurt.
It's his first
But it's
love.
also, first love. But it's also confusion. And I think, was it last week or wherever when we had a call on the show and it was like, no, take time. Give this person time. Now, 2 weeks ago, she said, I release you. So what does Anonymous do?
Releasega. You at no point did you lose your breath because she wasn't there. At no point did you need her to be your oxygen. At no point did you need her to be your heart pumper. At no point. What is it that you can't live without that she has? What is it?
The time, Somizi.
The time is gone. You woke up. What did you do when you woke up today?
I took a bath.
Where's that water?
Down the drain.
Can you find it?
No.
Exactly. You only have the memory of the water, but you cannot find it. Time waits for no one. And I always say, anything else can be recovered, but time can't be recovered. So you are wasting the time right now with someone that doesn't want to be with you. Sometimes, not sometimes, actually all the time. When people say they don't want to be with you or they want to move somewhere else, let it be. Love does not force. Love does not make you feel pain. Love is safe. Love is protective. Love is comfort. You know, and if it doesn't feel anything like those things that I've mentioned, it's not love. Because if she stays, she stayed because and she's going to treat you so bad. Don't put you are wasting your time, and you'll be crying again. You wasted 3 years trying to get her back, and she didn't. Then you cry again for these 3 years that you've lost. So every time you'll be crying for time. And I'm not saying it's not painful. It is painful, but stop giving people the power they don't possess. Nobody on this earth has the power to make the other person feel that they can't live without them. Nobody. I don't care who you are, whether you're a mother or a father, nobody. You deserve to be loved fully. And if you're not loved fully, you're not at the right place, Putwam. Start healing today. You are not robbed. If you feel used, it's okay. It's on her, not on you. When your intentions were genuine, right?
They were.
Exactly, Papa. So don't change anything about yourself. Don't hate anybody. Don't revenge. Just move on. Be done. Be done, Putwam. Easier said than done, but it's doable. I'm done.
Amazing.
Hello, Papa.
How do you not change after this?
You don't.
You don't change, because you must remember, every day we create our own karma, whether it's good karma or bad karma. So which karma would you want to create? The good one, right?
Can you answer that when we come back, Anonymous?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. 46 minutes after 10 o'clock. Anonymous, thank you for your patience. Can we continue?
Yes, I ask my last question. Do you want to create a good karma or bad karma?
A good one for me.
Thank you, Papa. So don't you ever. Yabona Monga Changer, she would have won. Monga Changer, the good-hearted person that you are, she would have won. And don't allow her to win. Ne kuzoba buhlungu futhi and uyangizwa ngikhuluma kanjani ukuthi leave nyara uyangizwa ne
Yeah,
I was
you make it
lalela
sound easy.
it's not easy I think we've all been there, but the difference ngabanye is that some of us chose to keep it moving, but we did not just wake up and keep it moving. No, it takes experience, it takes bakorope, and not everyone can recover from that. Now I'm one of the few lucky ones who were able to go, no, actually, I'm more powerful than this person, because a good-hearted person would never put anyone through that. But also, it doesn't make her a bad person. She could have fallen out of love, and it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
You understand, Aputam? Please don't change your heart. Don't change your heart.
Yeah, dude. Mfetai, we've all been there. You know? We've all been there. Uyindoda enjani engafuni ukudliwa. Sonke. And the great thing about it is 2-3 years down the line, you'll be laughing about it. Ne? And the funny thing is, Bazothi, thank you, Boston Media House. Thank you, Rosebank College. Kanti nguwe bowubhatala school fees.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's been like this.
Wow.
We've all been through it, Madala. We've all been through it. They don't thank us.
Yeah, it's so unfair. Bro.
No, it's fine. As I was saying earlier on, you did it out of the goodness of your heart. And the thing is, if you had to do it again and you're in the same situation, you probably would have. But some things that I tell my son is, hey, no matter how much you love a person, ngiyacela tu, don't put them through school. It's not, it's not your job.
And it's true.
It is, guys. A lot of guys out there, like, we start thinking we are people's fathers. You are not. You are not. You're not her parent. You are her lover. You know, and sometimes things get confused for them. And then now you think you are powerful. No, I say, segenzi first year manje sengimbhatalela erez. Erez bamenzani.
Naked, no,
guys. No, but remember,
No,
Anonymous, do you know why I'm laughing? When I say we have all been there, gantu kabangani. When I say we, angisho nami ngikhona lapho. Which is why I'm laughing about it, because we have all done it. We have all stepped into shoes which we are not supposed to.
Yeah.
And it's these things, and this is the funny thing where they say a man must, no? And then but their fathers couldn't. And now you step in and you're like, yeah, no, her father couldn't, but yeah, I mean, I'm able to put her through school. Hey, bazokubonisa. Now I graduate. Even on graduation day, when they are up there, Guba, it's like they just couldn't wait to graduate so they can get rid of you because they've seen other guys. You know, but Anonymous, it's okay because we laugh about it. Right? Yeah. Trust me, you will laugh about it in the next 5-6 years because as Somizi, you said something about the universe. What you've done is you've thrown good karma into the universe, right? Good karma will come back to you only if you release yourself. You've done well, my brother. Take a deep breath, raise that child, because as you said, that child is your own, and trust me, you take that deep breath and you just say, release me, and you will be released.
Yeah.
Anonymous, we're going to leave it here, ne? We need you to listen to the advice from the nation now, ne?
Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
We love you. Thank you,
Love
Anonymous.
you more.
Oh. What advice do you have for Anonymous? Give us a call, 086 2160. He's waiting for your advice. Release me. We've got 4 minutes to give advice to Anonymous. Why don't you give us a call, 08 600 2160. We've got Lebogang out in Middelburg. Good morning, Lebogang.
Morning, how are you, Kusho?
Good, thanks, and yourself, ma.
I'm good. I've got advice for Anonymous. And one thing I will probably say is that I know it hurts, but you need to let go of things that don't serve you anymore. Like, if they release you, so maybe mentioned it, would be releasable now. Let go. It's clear that she's fallen out of love and she couldn't actually tell you direct that I've fallen out of love. It doesn't matter how much of the things she's done with you, you've done for her, but let go and make peace and allow yourself to love the next person. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Lebogang. We appreciate your advice. We know that he's listening. Let's go through to Dylan out in Witbank. Lost him there. Let's head on over to Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous.
Okay.
Oh, we
Good
are
on you.
losing you there.
Hi, Jim.
Hi.
You know, I feel bad for Anonymous, right? Yeah, he took me back straight to 2020 because I've been in a very similar situation. Yeah, so what I've realized is that you don't just become a lover, you become a best friend for that particular person. So once you lose that thing, then it's more like you lose your soul. So what happened is maybe what I can say is that because since I was in the similar situation, is that you know what, my brother, only time heals. Only time heals. It took me 2 to 3 years to get rid of her, but eventually now I'm okay and I'm still alive.
Amen.
So my brother, just move on and let the time take its course.
Sure. Thank you so much, Anonymous. We appreciate that advice. Let me try and squeeze in some voice notes.
Yo. You know, I'm listening to Anonymous and I am so triggered, and I realize that one of the reasons why women say and call us princesses is because we have realized that given an opportunity, they do exactly what Anonymous' girlfriend did to him. So I say to you, my brother, I can tell you a lot of stories about what happened to me, but it's exactly what happened. Go to gym, my brother. Find Christ. Work on yourself. Most importantly, just put yourself first. You will see. 3 years from now, we'll be laughing about it, man. All the best, Anonymous.
Yeah. A friend of mine, Ovusi, says you can't invest in a rental home.
That's true.
Yo,
That is
guys,
so true.
now I'm so triggered today. Yo.
Askis.
Yes.
Sorry.
None,
man.
like, Kutsa, when you're looking at me,
Your
Khupedi,
eyes even. Yo.
so means Anbono Enji Motseganje. Like, I've put
Yo,
people through
kunini
school.
ngapha umntwana
Kunini.
ngapha bonke
Guys,
abantu yo
yeah,
naked
but
askis.
we look back and we laugh. It's okay.
And you what? You release.
We release. Yo. Hi.
I think more than anything, that's why I always say, be careful what you do for people, especially in relationships, especially when you are not married, because
Yeah.
then the lines will be blurred as to what or who they've fallen in love with. You know, so be careful. They don't fall in love with your hand more than your heart. And also never be. I don't care how long you've been. Never be with someone who's never afraid to lose you. And I'm not saying people must be scared to lose you, but they must show you without you, they want to be with you. But a person who always suggests, let's break up, let's take a break, give them what they want.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
Sure.
The way you chika ngakhona today.
Khupedi, sorry, buza siswami. Who's the
Sarah.
salt? Umfazi kaLot, lo wajika waphenduka itswayi.
Akanagama umfazi kaLot.
Yes.
Umuntu aphenduka itswayi angabi negama.
Yes.
There are very many unnamed characters in the Bible.
And you doubted me.
Wow.
Can do.
Sure, NG, some.
SABC